What is the solution to the equation 12 times the quantity x plus 5 equals 4x? So here we're solving an equation, which means we need to isolate the variable. So we want to get x on one side of the equal sign by itself, and the main property that we need to use here is the distributive property. So when you have the 12 multiplied by that quantity x plus 5, remember we need to take the number outside the parentheses and distribute it or multiply it by both numbers inside, or both terms inside the parentheses. So the first thing we need to do is the distributive property. So we're going to multiply the 12 by the x, and we're going to multiply the 12 by the 5, because all of the terms inside the parentheses there need to be multiplied by 12. So when we do that, 12 times x is equal to 12x, plus 12 times 5 is 60. So this turns into 12x plus 60 equals 4x. Now again, we want to get all of the x's, we want to get x on one side of the equation by itself. So we need to move all of our x terms to one side. So here, this 12x, I'm going to subtract that from both sides of the equation, because right now it's positive. The inverse of adding 12x is to subtract 12x. All right, when we do that on the left-hand side here, these are going to go away. So we're going to get 60 is equal to negative 8x. Because 4x minus 12x is negative 8x. Now that negative 8 is being multiplied by x, so the inverse of multiplication is division. So we need to divide both sides of the equation here by negative 8. And remember, the whole reason we do that is to create this giant 1. And so now we have 1x by itself. 60 divided by negative 8 is negative 7.5. So the correct answer here is x equals negative 7.5.